Hi everyone. Today we'll be going how you can leverage Workshare Compare within Google Drive. Today we'll be going through how you can install it, how you'll be able to compare by right-clicking, as well as how once you're in Google Docs, how you'll be able to launch a comparison within the document that you are working on yourself. First thing we want to do is we would want to install it. We'll provide you with the link to be able to come to this page here where you'll be able to install it as an add-on. All we need to do is click on the install piece here, grant it permission, and then I actually want to log into a separate email here. And we just want to make sure that we are giving it the proper permissions we need to. What we can take a look at right here is we'll be able to compare it as a Google Docs add-on, which we'll be taking a look at here shortly, as well as with right-click. We'll actually start with the right-click workflow. So if I come into comparisons, I have two documents here. I can select both of them, open with Workshare Compare. This will open up a new tab within our browser where we'll be able to take a look at what the red line is. We can work our way down the document itself and get an understanding as to what are some of the changes, or we can use the change summary on the left to take a look at specific types of changes. So what's changed with my currency? What are some of the numbering changes I've seen? So this is a way where, dependent on how you want to review this, you have the ability to take a look at it through a couple of different lenses. The other piece that we want to take a look at right now is what can we do in terms of saving this back? Do I want to save this as a PDF, as a docx? Am I going to share this with someone who is using Word and track changes? We can accommodate that as well. And then we can save it as a Google Doc or as a tracked Google Doc as well. So a lot of flexibility around how you can save this once you have the comparison in hand. The second workflow that we'll be taking a look at is, what if I'm already working within a document and I want a quick comparison? So what I can do here is leverage this add-on. So I'll come here, Workshare Compare, and this will ask me, this is your modified, what's your original? And then I can jump into my documentation here and then work our way through. And launch the compare. As you can see here, we're not making you go to a separate application. And while this is a bit of a basic comparison, this is really to give you the idea and the visualization as to what this would look like in action. So we've gone through how we can install it, how we can right click and send two documents at once, and how we can do it one at a time. If there are any questions, please feel free to reach out to the team.